In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry from QuickBooks Online. Whether you're correcting an error or simply tidying up your records, knowing how to efficiently remove a journal entry can be a real time saver. So, let's get started. First off, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks account. If you're using the online version, you'll see an option to sign in on the home page. Click on that and it will direct you to a new page. Here you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. Once selected, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password, then click Continue. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Reports section. This is where you can access various reports related to your accounts, making it an integral part of managing your finances in QuickBooks. Within this section, locate the For My Accountant area. Clicking on this will bring up a comprehensive list of reports suitable for accounting purposes, including the information we need to proceed. Next, look for the option labelled Journal. When you find it, give it a click. This will take you to the Journal Report page, where you can see all existing journal entries. To narrow this down, you'll need to sort by transaction type. This filter helps you identify the specific journal entries you might be looking for quickly and efficiently. As you browse through the journal entries, find the entry that you wish to delete. This step involves carefully reviewing the list to ensure you're selecting the correct entry, as this action can't be undone once confirmed. Once you've identified it, simply click on that particular journal entry. You'll see several options popping up at the bottom of your screen. Among them, you'll find a button labelled More. Clicking here will reveal additional functions related to this journal entry, including the delete option. Select delete and a confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you're sure about this decision. Finally, all that's left to do is confirm your choice by clicking yes. This confirms that you want to permanently remove the selected journal entry from your records. And just like that, the journal entry is deleted. If you followed these steps carefully, you should have successfully deleted a journal entry from QuickBooks Online. Remember, removing entries can affect your financial data, so it's always wise to double check before proceeding with the deletion. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful information on managing your QuickBooks account.